We're giving away Descendants 2 posters at the Hasbro stage right now. Come over and get them.
Hey Jeff, did you? I'm in Hasbro. I should probably suggest you get one of the Luke Skywalker with the Rey Jedi trainers, the $54 one.
It's fun toys. I think that just everything that's super cool. So all that. Yeah. Where should we go? Almost did the red eye. What? Tyler! Yeah, hi. Big in there.
Oh, they really don't have the black